In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll be able to create a clear, actionable reminder that fits right into your schedule without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. This takes you to your Google Calendar, where you can see your day, week, or month at a glance. We'll be using the built-in tasks feature, which is great for simple to-dos you can check off, as opposed to full calendar events that might involve guests or meeting details. Once your calendar is open, look to the top left corner and click the Create button with the plus icon. This opens a small menu with different options. From that menu, choose Task. Selecting Task tells Google Calendar that you're adding a personal to-do rather than a meeting or reminder. A panel will appear where you can enter the details. Start with the title. Keep it short but specific so it's instantly clear what needs to be done, something like Submit Report or Call the Service Desk. A good title saves you from guessing later. Next, add the date and time. This is optional but highly recommended. Setting a date keeps the task from getting lost, and adding a time helps you block out a realistic window to get it done. If you choose a date without a time, the task will sit at the top of that day as an all-day item. If you add a specific time, it will appear directly in your schedule, making it easier to see where it fits among your other commitments. You can also add a description. This field is optional, but it's a helpful space for quick notes, a short checklist, or links you'll need when completing the task. Keep it concise and avoid placing any sensitive information here. Think of it as a way to store exactly what you'll need so you don't have to hunt for details later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your task is now on your calendar. If you set a time, you'll see it in that time slot. If you didn't, you'll see it listed for that day in the task area, so it still stays visible and easy to find. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, click Create, select Task, enter a clear title, add a date and time if you can, include a brief description for context, and save. With these simple steps, you can keep your to-dos organized right alongside your schedule and stay on track with less effort.